Assalamu alaikum, student of class 8. How are you? I hope you're all fine. I'm Khurshid Rony from Square High School and College. Here once again come in front of you to discuss about the new topics of ICT, that is your subject ICT for class 8. Today's topics is chapter 4, use of spreadsheet. Now the question is, what is a spreadsheet? Dictionary meaning of spreadsheet is a sheet of paper big in size. This kind of sheet is used to keep the accounts of business firms, and the accounts are recorded in a table format and gave an overview of the firm's account. But now, software-based spreadsheet program has replaced paper-based spreadsheet. Thus, the use of spreadsheet became popular. In the late 70s, the Apple Computer Company has first invented the spreadsheet software called VisiCalc, and after that software called Microsoft Excel, OpenOffice Calc, Kspread or devised. Now the most popular and extensively used spreadsheet software is Microsoft Excel. Spreadsheet is a kind of application computer software. It is sometimes called workbook. Just as a register book has numerous pages, so does a workbook have numerous worksheets. The worksheet has many rows and columns. Columns and rows are numbered by capital alphabet A, B, C and number like 1, 2, 3 respectively. The boxes are called cells. The picture are given below. Now the another question is, discuss about the different parts of a Microsoft Excel 2007 window. When Microsoft Excel 2007 program is opened, that is seen like this, or that is what we see. Office button. The button of the left at the left corner of the top of the Excel window is called Office button. New Excel workbook and previous workbook can be opened, and workbooks can also be preserved or saved by clicking this button. Now, quick access toolbar. This is quick access toolbar. The position of the quick access toolbar is next to the Office button. The button used most are found here. Title bar. The title of the workbook is written on the top of the Excel window. This is called title bar. Different commands are arranged in a cluster in a Microsoft Excel. All together, these are called ribbon. These commands are arranged with icons under every menu. Now, formula bar. Its position is below the ribbon. The position of cells or reference to cell is shown along with the items and contents here. Status bar. The position of status bar is below the worksheet. That is the top of the worksheet, bottom of the worksheet. The current status of different work is projected on this bar. Options are for viewing worksheet in different ways are given to the left of the status bar. And finally, sheet tab. The sheet tab shows the numbers of worksheets in any given workbook. It is used to switch between different sheets. Another important question is, discuss the arithmetical function in spreadsheet program. Different kinds of mathematical calculation can successfully be done by using spreadsheet. In our syllabus, only two types of mathematical calculations are there, that is addition and subtraction. Moreover, addition is also two types. One is automatically and two is manually. Before discussing the arithmetic function of spreadsheet, I want to say something. Here the Microsoft Excel windows are open. It is showing numerous columns and rows are there. Columns are indicated by capital alphabet, a capital letter, English capital letter, and rows are indicated by number. And each small boxes are called cell. And each cell has a reference name. When I click on a cell, the cell is selected. That is, the cell is bordered by a thick line, and its reference name is showing on the left side of the function bar, and its name, that is reference name, is created by its corresponding corresponding column name and the row number. That is, I have selected this one, so its column is capital C and row is 4, so its reference name is C4. Here is a table of some students, that is the mark sheet of some students. If we want to find out the total marks of the students by using auto summation, then we have to select all the marks and also the result mark, that is the clicking the result cell. By selecting the all marks, we have to click on the right side of the screen auto sum, then we'll get the total mark by auto summation process. Again, if we want to do it manually, then we have to, by clicking the result cell, we have to write equal sign and the cell number of subject Bangla, clicking the plus sign, and cell number of the English, that is the D2, again plus sign, and finally the cell number of math, that is E2, and then press enter. In this way we can get the total number of a student by manual summation process. Besides, we can get the summation by applying the formula, by indicating the cell range, that is equal sign, and the formula is type sum and the first bracket, starting range of the cell of the mark, and the colon sign, and ending range of the cell of the mark. Then close the first bracket and press enter. Here we will go, we find the total number of a student by applying the formula. The subtraction process in Excel worksheet is similar to the summation process, but there is no way of auto subtraction. So by inserting formula in the result cell, that is C1, we have to press equal button and write the first cell of the number of that we want to subtract it, that is A1, and the minus sign or subtraction sign, and you have to write the second cell of the number and then press enter. Here we get the subtraction result of the two number, that is 10 and 6. Subtract 10 minus 6, that is 4. And here is the formula of the subtraction. That's all for today, students. Next time I will